a former American counter-terrorism specialist and military intelligence officer of the CIA, has said that the coronavirus did not occur naturally through mutation but rather was produced in a laboratory, possibly as a biological warfare agent. Since the novel coronavirus outbreak began in China last December, it has infected more than 594,344 people globally and killed more than 27,251. The majority of cases and deaths now are in United States. The number of people infected with coronavirus in the United States exceeded 100,000. Such estimates were made on Friday by Johns Hopkins University, which makes calculations based on data from federal and local authorities. According to this information, 100,717 people were infected in the country, 1,478 people died, 862 infected people recovered. The United States has previously taken first place in the world in the number of people infected with the coronavirus, bypassing China and Italy. President Donald Trump explained these figures with a well-functioning testing system. Several reports suggest that there are components of the virus that are related to HIV that could not have occurred naturally. If it is correct that the virus had either been developed or even produced to be weaponized, it would further suggest that its escape from the Wuhan Institute of Virology lab and into the animal and human population could have been accidental. Technicians who work in such environments are aware that leaks from laboratories occur frequently, Philip Giraldi wrote in an article published by the Strategic Culture Foundation on Thursday. There is, of course and inevitably, another theory. There has been some speculation that as the Trump administration has been constantly raising the issue of growing Chinese global competitiveness as a direct threat to American national security and economic dominance, it might be possible that Washington has created and unleashed the virus in a bid to bring Beijing's growing economy and military might down a few notches. It is, to be sure, hard to believe that even the Trump White House would do something so reckless, but there are precedents for that type of behavior, he said. In 2005 to 2009, the American and Israeli governments secretly developed a computer virus called Stuxnet, which was intended to damage the control and operating systems of Iranian computers being used in that country's nuclear research program. Admittedly, Stuxnet was intended to damage computers, not to infect or kill human beings, but concerns that it would propagate and move to infect computers outside Iran proved to be accurate as it spread to thousands of PCs outside Iran. In countries as far-flung as China, Germany, Kazakhstan and Indonesia, he added. If one even considers it possible that the United States had a hand in creating the coronavirus at what remains of its once extensive biological weapons research center in Ft. Detrick, Maryland, it is very likely that Israel was a partner in the project. Helping to develop the virus would also explain how Israeli scientists have been able to claim success at creating a vaccine so quickly, possibly because the virus and a treatment for it were developed simultaneously, he noted. Israeli scientists have claimed to be close to developing a vaccine for coronavirus that could be available in about 90 days, saying they have developed an effective vaccine against avian coronavirus infectious bronchitis virus, which is to be adapted soon and create a human vaccine against COVID-19.